Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you or teach you how to connect iPhone to our MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So before anything else guys, yeah, you have your phone, you have your iPhone, and of course, let's say for example you have some important files and you wanted it to transfer to your MacBook. So in order to do that guys, we just need to have at least a cable, okay, a cable guys, to connect our iPhone to our MacBook. Okay, so once you connect your phone or your iPhone to your MacBook guys, using the cable of course, you will see here at the sidebar, you will see your phone or your iPhone here. And if you see that your phone guys, it means that you successfully connected your phone or your iPhone to your MacBook. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Okay, so thank you.